Going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We'll give this another shot here. Had an issue recording a Moonwell video this morning. Ticker symbol WELL Welcome to the channel, guys. All the current new subscribers, appreciate you guys. We had a good old Halloween sell-off yesterday. Haven't seen some red in the markets like that over in the U.S. futures markets in a while. Keeps you good reminder of these markets have two sides, not just upside. They also have downside in red. They can get a little aggressive. Keeps you in check. We have here for Moonwell, we have our top end so far, the 10-cent level. We hit our target at 108.937. That's 10.8. We have been pulling back for the past. Today would be the third day, depending on how we close here. We continue to make new daily lower lows, starting with yesterday, the 31st. Today is also a lower low. So below the markets for Moonwell, potential market support, if we get down there, would be 08058. That's 8 cents, 8 cents right here, guys. Below that, if we continue, would be 0724. Below that would be 0656. So there's a couple support levels down in here. Now, I want to make it clear, I don't hold Moonwell, okay? But if I did, and we started to get back down to this 656 level, maybe even a little higher, I would be stepping to the sidelines personally. I think if you get down to those levels, I think the market will start to increase the odds of heading lower than they're higher, at least for the near term. But we'll see. We got some levels of support before we get down to those levels. It really depends on what happens here with Bitcoin and the rest of the markets. As you can see on the right-hand side of my screen over there, a lot of red once again here on Friday here, the 1st of November. So what I want to see for this chart is I want to see the market stop making daily lower lows. I want to see a higher low come in, let's call it Saturday, and then start to head to the upside. That can shift my mental market here to let's start to look at upside market targets. For starters, we would get back up to the 108, which would be the 10.8, and then we still didn't make it up to 12 cents. That was the real target I was looking for. I believe it would have made it there if the markets didn't sell off yesterday, because we had a nice solid breakout on Tuesday. But hey, that's what the markets gave us, is a one-day breakout, and then we had a couple days here of selling off. So 12 cents, that's for starters. Again, we will have a higher price targets, I should say, up in this range once these markets stop their selling. So that's what we'll be keep an eye out for that. Moonwell currently up from where I consider a solid breakout, about 104, 105%. All the way up to the top tick was about 174. From the bottom tick here to current trading, about 211 or 300 plus to the top tick. So far, so good. Again, quick recap. I want to see daily higher lows come in, not lower lows. And that can start to indicate to myself anyways that, hey, maybe there is a shift here and we're starting to look at upside prices rather than downside prices, at least for the short term. If we continue lower today, 080 support, 072 support, 065 support. If we start to rally, look for a level of resistance at 10.8, and I doubt it, but who knows, 12 cents as well as above the market. Guys, over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin very close to all-time highs 3 days ago. Didn't get there. Lower high on the 30th. We've pulled back. Market support down here so far today at 68,748. Just a few days ago, we were up there at 73.5. If we continue to sell off aggressively, 64,375 is our next level of support. So this level here of what was once resistance is trying to be turned into support. Hopefully that holds, and we can get these markets back into rally mode into the end of the year. Good old Santa Claus rally. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. If you are not yet subscribed, join us here on the channel. Appreciate it. Of course, not financial advice. Still up about 100% in Moonwell, depending on where you got in. We'll continue to track it, like I said. But we want to see this market continue, stop continuing to make daily lower lows and start to make higher lows, and then we can start to talk about rally mode again. We'll catch you guys in the next one.